What's up, my friend? This is Anders Larsson, and today I want to make a review of a web service called PageUm. PageUm is like a web hosting service for people that just want a quick web page up and running and avoid all the extra work with HTML and JavaScript. The page builder is a quick and neat WYSIWYG tool that lets you quickly get started with a set of templates. So I'm gonna dive into the page builder and see what it is all about, and then I'm gonna talk a little bit about how I would tweak this web service so that it could be more profitable. So let's sign in and see if we can see a sign up option, register. I do recommend to use 2 password fields. The previous web service that I did a review on also had 1 password field, and I did a mistake, so I had to do a password recovery. So you begin by creating 1 website, and I think for the free plan it's maximum 1 website. One thing that I think is pretty nice is if you work with clients, then you can simply select the website for the client, because they are going to be listed here. Maybe one thing, an idea that I have is add custom text that only the web administrator can see. So you can, for example, add an email address so that when the client needs help, you simply search for the email address, and then you know which website that client owns. So let's edit the website. I see one problem here that the web service owner might need to take care of. Simply do a search landing page versus sales page, and they know what I'm talking about. A landing page is there to capture leads, but all these templates are more for sales pages and product pages. Let's insert a template here. I had to click 2 times. So it is clean and professional design, in my opinion. So this is set for an image. You can add a video. You can choose a color and then gradient. And here you can see a preview of the gradient. So there is a lot of things that you can explore. So let's use a clear template, a blank template. It has some issues, so you have to click 2 times. You start with a select template block, and this is not a whole page template, but it is for different containers or sections. So you have a nav bar, a cover, and feature. So if I would promote my videos, I would go to the content section and then about us. Then I can have like a blog. So I try to add a YouTube link, but it doesn't seem to be working. If I press enter, then nothing happens. So maybe this will only work when I preview the website. If you want to exit the editor, you click this button, and let's see what it looks like. Alright, so there is my video playing. So it's not intended to use like that. So let's remove it. So I guess you build a routine how you design the web pages. It has its limitations, but if you know the limitations, then you know also how to get around them. So this is a basic idea how I would create a blog, but I don't think it's intended to be a blogging tool, but with a little bit of work you can do it like a blog. You can build it like a blog. And exit and preview. So my thoughts on this web service is that it is a brilliant tool, and I see so much potential where it can go to be more profitable. And because this web service is pretty new, it has a great opportunity to change into something really, really valuable for people doing online marketing. I see that they have, especially with branding themselves as a landing page builder. So for example, if you look at services like ClickFunnels, where you can build landing pages, capture pages, designed for people that don't want to bother with HTML, JavaScript, the technical stuff. Here's one really big thing missing. If you want to allow people to build landing pages, you need to have some sort of template where they can add a form, because the most important part of a landing page is to capture the visitor's email so that they can become a lead. And I couldn't really find any solution for that. Maybe I didn't take a close enough look at each template, but if you are missing that email capture capability, then you are missing something really big. Another thing is the $3 per month. Can you really survive as a hosting company with only $3? Maybe this will change in the future. Maybe this is a test. You could add form template capabilities so that people can capture emails. But because this service is very new, I would recommend to study online marketing, maybe figure out how to add a value ladder and begin with a low ticket product. So this could be a low ticket product, $3, and when someone buy the early users package, you can have other products on the back end. Because the thing is that when someone buys from you, then they are serious about their business and they are open to buy more products on the back end. So you can provide a value ladder on the back end where people can buy higher ticket products. So always start with a low ticket on the front end, because if you have a low ticket, then you don't have as much resistance to buy the product. But just making a decision to buy a low ticket gives them a direction to buy higher ticket products once they are a member. I recommend that you sign up to the system that I'm using, and that is Legendary Marketer, and there you can learn all this stuff. You can learn how to implement a value ladder and different niche markets. Maybe you want to target people that need a sales funnel, and that is especially the make money online niche. There you can also offer landing pages, capture pages. I would also learn about profit activators, because right now I think you're trying to compete with as low as possible price offer. So you really need as much users as possible, and know that advertising is very, very costly because you need to advertise to get momentum. So how do you compete with advertising with big hosting companies? I mean, they use pretty much the same keywords. So if you go for Bing ads or AdWords, then those keywords is very competitive. So it's very costly per click. You could do email marketing, trying to email people that might be interested, but then you need something very special. For example, if you have something very special and you do grassroots marketing, meaning it is so special that it advertises itself by its own through word of mouth. Now I'm trying to open a new way of advertising through fundraising, and I will leave a link in the description under this video where you can access my fundraising page. But basically you can send a small donation, buy me a cup of coffee, and then you list your web service name in the backers and comments so that my audience can see that you made a small donation. And my project is to inspire other influencers to do video reviews like I do. And when they come and visit this page, they can see which company made a donation and what web service they have. So only add that as a description if you want other influencers to promote your business, to make a video review. If you want to check out the system that I'm using where you can learn online marketing, because then you can really help your customers. You know their pain points, where they are coming from, what they struggle with, and what they need. So that is very important to adapt your business, your web service. I will leave a link in the description which redirects you to my landing page. There you can sign up, and it also will let you sign up to the system on a thank you page. You can study my landing page, my capture page, and see how my sales funnel work to get inspiration from it. Legendary Marketer has a 30-day trial, so if you want to exit out from that system you can use their refund policy. Alright, thank you for spending a little bit of your time watching this video. If you found some value from watching this video, then hit the like button. And if you want more tips and tricks and strategies, then why not subscribe to my channel and you get more videos like this. So thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.